Welcome to Modular Learning. I will share high-efficiency furnace repairing experience in this video. My good man, high-efficiency furnace doesn't provide heat. I'm going to troubleshoot using a multimeter. Now you can see the arrow code is one flash LED. That means the gas valve or pressure sensor or the flame sensor are faulty. So I'm going to diagnose. I use a multimeter connected to this gas valve. This is a two-stage gas valve. It has coils. MC is the main gas valve. It's also called the low fire coil. And C to H is the high fire coil. When the gas furnace want to make heat, going through all the safety check, if everything is okay, it's going to have voltage 24 volts applying to both the low fire coil and the high fire coil, 24 volts AC. So I'm using a multimeter to measure the voltage on the main valve, CM. It should have 24 volts AC. When the igniter is glowing, and the 24 volts AC should be applied on the gas valve. Both low fire coil and the high fire coil should have the AC power. Now I'm going to measure the low fire coil, which is the main valve of the gas valve. I have the main gas valve open, multimeter ready. It's AC volts, measure the gas valve, low fire coil. This is the pressure switch. So if the furnace has no fire, there is a possibility between these two devices. Either the gas valve don't open or the pressure switch failed. Let's start. Turn on the furnace. Now the induced draft blower is energized, blowing. It creates air pressure. So the pressure switch should close. Then the igniter warm up is glowing. Now watch the multimeter. It should have 24 volts. No 24 volts. So the main valve, low fire coil, does not receive the voltage. Then the voltage is coming down from this pressure switch. So I'm going to move this pin to test the voltage on this pressure switch. This is the pin. The 24 volts is coming from here. Measuring is glowing. Watch the multimeter. It does have 26 volts AC on the pressure switch. Now voltage removed because the furnace doesn't start. Voltage is on 1 pin, so the pressure switch is not closed. That's why the 24 volts is not passing down to this second pin and coming down to this green low fire coil. This is the problem. Okay, based on this diagnose, 24 volts already on this pressure switch. Look at it one more time. It's glowing. The igniter is glowing. Now 24 volts, 26 AC is on the pressure switch. Pressure switch is not closed. That's why the gas valve does not receive 24 volts on this low fire coil. Okay, so problem found. It's pressure switch not closing. Okay, I'm going to replace this pressure switch with this one I bought from Amazon, and it's the same. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Tube, remove pins. Okay. Right side is a new one. The left side is old one, so it's minus 0.1 PF. The same. Put the screw up. Back. Okay, now it's all connected. Let's test it. Connect to the multimeter again, and let's do the test. Gas valve is open. Multimeter is ready. Now turn on the furnace. Induced draft blower is energized, and the pressure sensor, if it's good, left side pressure sensor must be closed. Then igniter warm up. This pressure sense switch will close, provide 24 volts, and watch. Wonderful, 25 volts. Now the furnace is firing, and flame sensor detected the presence of flame. Furnace is back to normal. This is the pressure switch replaced. Now 24 volts is provided to the low coil. Good. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. I will share more DIY video in the future.